Hello everyone. Today we'll discuss exercise 1.2 question number 2. Are the square roots of all positive integers irrational? If not, give an example of the square root of a number that is a rational number. Here you see, if we take numbers, if we take numbers, we take, if we take numbers, the root 4 that is equal to 2, root 9 that is equal to 3, root 16 that is equal to 4, right? If we take the numbers root 4 2, root 9 equal to 3, root 4 root 16 is equal to 4. If we take the numbers like this, are all the square roots of positive integers irrational? The answer is no. This is no. The square roots, no. The square roots of all positive integers, all positive integers, the square roots of all positive integers are not irrational. Not irrational. For example, the number 2, 3, 4 are not irrational numbers. Here 2, 3, 4. Here 2, 3, 4 are rational numbers. Right? The square root of all positive integers are not irrational. Thus, therefore, the square roots, of all positive integers, of all positive integers are not irrational. Right? Dear friends, if you like this video, please subscribe, like and share. Thank you everybody for watching this video.